They don't sentence former French president to 3 years imprisonment for una wey no know. His name na Nicolas Sarkozy. Almost Sarkozy. The name says sound like one food like that. You know say French people they name themselves according to food. My people, they say the reason why they arrest this man, hey, unbelievable. They say na corruption they involved inside this matter. And according to matter wey reach me, him been the lead France from 2007 till 2012. And him forge one corruption pact where I don't even understand. Him and the lawyer can't get one arrangement concerning corruption pact. And now the senior magistrate even can't dey involved inside this matter. The judges now, they don't come outside now with one serious evidence. My people, they say the evidence they clear. Say this man now, you no get one reason to come. They tell us say they lie. In fact, because they say the evidence na collaboration where this man get with him and other 3 men we break this law. The court now come hear how Nicolas, the instructing lawyer, say may they offer the magistrate one cushy job like that. Where they call that place safe on the Côte d'Azur. I beg, no be my language, you understand? And now in return of this information, on a separate information again, the call center say this I don't know if you know how these white people they behave. They feel they track your phone, all your calls, all your, in fact, everything. They track this man, and you know say they listen to all their conversation. Now so these people plan all this thing. Hey, my people. Matter don't come outside. See, now wait till they tell you every time. You feel they do something for 5 years, they no go even bother, say they check. The day where God don't say now your turn. Imagine, since 2007 till 2012, they don't finally catch them. Integrity and transparency. I be waiting they call that English. See country where get law. But the time where I hear this matter, I not been the believer because I don't know whether na only me, sha. He get one eye where I always they see these people with I know they believe say they feel even do one bad thing. I don't know whether they see them like that sometimes. No, not be say I don't believe say they do bad things, but he get one kind level where I don't put them. Say French president. No, this one no fit do. You understand? Now so I don't they see them since. Hey. 3 years, nobody thought say because na former president or because he be politician or he dey inside government matter. 3 years. No, make una see country. Country, no, our own no be country, our own na country. Make I pronounce it like some people, I no go make sure their name. Country. You understand? See law. Na country wey get law, they move forward. Country wey get law, na them they move forward. No be like our own, where you know, in fact, all the lawmakers for Nigeria, I don't even know where they don't go. But I remember that year, if they bring out law, at the end of every law, now that underside they write down, governor of so, Mr. Director of this one made the law. All of una way make law. Now, make una come see now why I bring this matter, so that una eye go open. If na Nigeria now we person like this do this thing, let me just use our former president as an example. We ain't do this kind of thing. Una go just here we are taking him to the prison, this one. The moment they reach prison, so they go turn back. That is if they even reach. Why? Because na former president. See this one, they even give am 3 years. No be say they say 3 months so that it go. See, lead by example. If una don't put law, follow that law. Now, why? See, the reason why as a leader, you're supposed to be very careful because the thing where they lead people for, if you fall inside, you must experience her. You must experience her. Nothing like, I am the leader, I am the head of this. Our own different. In fact, our own, even they funny me. You know why? Because our own thieves, they carry the money, they go France, go holiday. Person waiting for, he still they go do holiday, he still they go give himself soft life. See country now. How many times I want to shout this thing? Hey, God. I beg you, I need to talk to my mama. I need ask am question. Say, abeg, mom, say how far when you born me, why you no just travel? Abi, why you no look for one white man like that, make he put that thing inside? I need ask am. Because I no believe say I come from this kind of place. No. Look, no, see me as soon as see me like this. Hey. Now, if they decide to pass judgment on all the previous, what did they call them, presidents or be politicians who we get for this our country, none of them go remain outside. All of them go enter prison because we know all our leaders, all of them get one corny history like that. One thing where they do, red they their white papers, red. None of them will go come outside where feel lift one finger to say me, I have never done this thing. I have never. Now lie. They involve. Nigeria government. Una don't hear. I don't know whether una own always they different every time. I just hope so una don't learn. They arrest former president of France. They arrest him. I know why they repeat them, because they need sink inside their head. Una go commit crimes, una go they involve inside nonsense, and una go still they carry shoulder pad, they come outside, they give us speech. Una even get audacity to even come in front of camera, they speak. Now they talk to us. No, hey God. I don't know how many countries we go last we go borrow. Because before they think say me we borrow some Ghana people. Now I don't they think of France. Because we need people who go come inside, can't change some things. They need change some things. Now they close case. Any small thing now for Nigeria, they go just close the case like say, you know, concern them. May something just happen now. The last place where you go here and for internet, when they don't come right and finish. After that, case close. They no go pursue the case. They no go investigate the case. They no go know who they at fault so that they go arrest them, so that they go punish the person according to law. They go just close that case. You no go hear them again. Nigeria. France. Oh, make una wedo. In fact, I will say I did there now with una. Celebration upon celebration. Because see, if una no know wetin this thing mean. Now why una no go even una go dey keep quiet for some kind things? If una know wetin e mean to keep law, peace go dey, security go dey, all those things. The reason why Nigeria dey like this now because first of all we no even dey keep the law. So in a lawless country, wetin you expect say go happen? People go misbehave now. You una go dey do things anyhow. Now why people dey die? Now why people every bad thing now why e dey happen? You understand? So abeg make una help me. Learn to celebrate people where they do good thing. So I bet join me. We need send them plenty congratulations because they don't try. So I bet France, congratulations. In fact, you are the champion, the number one. You understand? Very very important. Keep it up. And I just they pray say our own go learn from your own. Very very important because they travel come on aside for nothing, just to spend money. As they travel come on aside, they know they see things where they happen. Very very important. So my people, wait till una think. Wait till una think concerning this matter. May Nigeria start their own too, abi? Very simple. So start to drop the comment for that comment section. And make sure say una share this video. Buhari must hear me. All those politicians, they must hear me and they must know that now France, they are standing on their toe. They know they joke with their law. And subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, how you won't get matters like this? No, how? Stay tuned for our next story.